Hi there, Bliss seekers! Welcome back to the Aura Permata channel. I'm Lestari, your guide to all things tropical and luxurious. Today, in our special tutorial, we are crafting something that will make your skin thank you. That is a batch of our beloved Bali Foam Bliss Sugar Scrub. Imagine the lush Balinese landscape with each scoop. This also with poppy seed. And our scrub is whipped up with the luscious aromas of lemongrass, vanilla, and the delicate cares of frangipani essential oil. Designed to bring vibrance of Bali right to your skincare routine. But before we immerse ourselves in this indulgent blends, let's spread with care. Safety always comes first. I have got here my hair cap, I have my face masks, hand gloves, and aprons. And this I will wear it when we are ready to crafting the scrub, and all my workspace I have sanitized it before. It's the Aura Permata promise. Safety for us and bliss for you. Cannot wait to get your hand on this tropical treat? It's just one click at www.aurapermata.id. Better yet, message us on WhatsApp and let's chat with bringing the Bali experience straight to you. And you know what would sweeten the deal? If you hit like, share this journey with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Now on to the fun part. We will mix, we will blend, and we will whip up a storm of sugars and spice. Stay tuned as we craft a scrub that's all about pampering you. And we are ready to sprinkle a little Balinese magic into your day. Let's get started and let the bliss begin. Okay, I'm ready. Here I have my book recipes. We need to weight our ingredient. I have my digital scale. We need a bowl. First, we will weight our water paste. So we have sodium isocyanate, and we will add water. We will add cocamidopropyl betaine, sorbitol, and glycerin on water paste. We will add our distillate water. We need about 50 grams. Now we will add our vegetables glycerins, 15 grams. Next, we will have our cocamidopropyl betaine. Stir it. Next, we will add our sorbitol, 25. And next, we will add our sodium cocaine isocyanate. Here we have our water paste. And then we will weight out our oil paste. I'm using heat glass container. Here we need sweet almond oil. We will add shea butter. We will add emulsifying wax and stearic acid. First, we have our sweet almond oil. Here we need 35. We have our emulsifying wax. Here I'm using glycerin stearate, 25. Next, we will add our stearic acid. We need about 15 grams. And next, we add our shea butter. And then we have our cacao butter. Okay, here we go. We have our oil paste. Now we need to heat it up. For the oil paste, I'm using the heat stirring plate. And for the water paste, I'm using a microwave. We heat it up until everything is melted and combined. And after that, the water we will heat up in the microwave. Here, I like to give a little bit stir, and then we will pop up again in the microwave. Okay. Okay, everything is melted. Now we will mix together here. And now we use stick blender to mix our butter. Look at this. It's like mashed potato. We will wait now a little bit cool, and then we will give a little mix with a hand mixer later. And now we will add our active ingredient like Optifin, vitamin E oil, and a blend of our essential oil. So now first I will add my Optifin Plus, and then our vitamin E oil. And here's our blend essential oil. We have vanilla, we have lemongrass, we have frangipani, and Bulgarian lavender essential oil. Smells so good. The room smells so good. Okay, now we whip up again. Because I like to put color on this scrub, so we add natural mica powder. We just need a little bit. This you can add as your desire. Okay, this is the color I like. And then the final, but not least, is we will add our sugars and poppy seed. Here is our poppy seed, 25 grams. And here's our sugars. We need 170 grams. And now we whip up the sugars. Okay, here we go. Look at this scrub. Even you can scoop it with the ice cream scoop. And now it's time to pour into our container. So I have this container and this container. Now we will add to our container. This container is sized for 250 grams and the smaller one is for 100 grams. Now I want to give a little test, like trying the scrub and rub it to my hand, and we wash it here and we watch together, okay? Here I have also my pH meter to test the water after the scrubbing later. Now we will scoop a little bit. So soft. And the poppy seed give a little gentle exfoliation. We add a little bit water. Look, it's foamy. See, you get the scrub exfoliation and you get the foam to enjoy the smooth foam. Look at this. So smooth. And the smell. Okay, now we will test the water. So the good range of body scrub is between 6.5 0.48 to around 7 to become a normal. I use this one. Five, 6. Look. It's a perfect pH balance. Okay, thank you for today for joining me on this journey. And always, I will see you soon again with another video. Bye for now.